Some of the threats. Obviously, the beautiful pelt was highly valued in the fur trade in the 70s. It led to its endangerment and the enactment of CITES that prohibits the trade in animal products and parts. There's a newer threat emerging, which is with China, growing economy, wealth, and a long, ancient history of using animal parts for medicines, for aphrodisiacs, and so on. And cat bones, tiger bones, snow leopard bones are very high on the list. Along with this, there's been growing human populations, and they've been poaching out the wild prey of snow leopards. This animal, ungulate called the blue sheep, it's sort of a cross between a sheep and a goat, really. It describes pretty damn well the range of snow leopards in Central Asia, and I'll show you that range in a while. But I want to jump right into the conflict side of it, because really, conservation is becoming so much a matter of handling human-wildlife conflict. Conflict comes because predators have their prey base depleted and they'll turn to livestock, as this kid's sketch has shown. So how do we preserve a cat like this? This is one of the first pictures of snow leopards, camera trapped in Ladakh at about, I think it's about 14,000 feet in winter. And it just captures the essence. This is Mi'kmaq. And Mi'kmaq was a dominant male in the area, and he patrolled it. But snow leopards live in a vast, vast area, all the way from Russia in the north down to the Himalayas in the south. And you can see this sort of spotty distribution, very fragmented. You see a lot of it is along international borders. So these are sort of sensitive areas, hard to get into, hard to implement conservation initiatives, often because military are there. Government doesn't have much influence in these locations. But the local people are there. Snow leopards occur alongside pastoralists, and animal husbandry is the basic economy of the entire area. Provides the food, the clothing, the transport, everything. Livestock like yak, sheep, and goats are people's money in the bank, if you were. These people, 40% live below the poverty line. They live in a very harsh area where there's a very short summer, long winter, so they face a lot of great difficulties during the winter with snow, trying to get enough fodder for their livestock. So how can we go about encouraging coexistence between this snow leopard and this herder and these small sheep and goats that are so vulnerable? In essence, they see snow leopards as pests. I want them to see snow leopards as assets. It's really very easy, especially if you work with the communities. And all of our